Did you know that your beliefs can impact your financial success? It's true. Get ready to challenge your assumptions, expand your financial awareness, and unlock the potential of the placebo effect to transform your relationship with money for the better. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world where mind and money intersect, exploring how the placebo effect exerts its influence on our financial lives. The world of finance, often perceived as a realm governed by logic and numbers, is surprisingly susceptible to the whims of human emotion. Market sentiment, the collective psychological state of investors, acts as an invisible hand, guiding the ebbs and flows of stock prices, currency valuations, and even entire economies. This infectious optimism, fueled by the placebo effect, can propel the company's stock price to dizzying heights, even before concrete financial results justify the surge. The placebo effect is a psychological phenomenon where people experience a perceived improvement in their condition due to their beliefs and expectations, even if they receive a non-active treatment. In finance, this translates to investors feeling more confident and making better decisions simply because they believe in the positive outcome of their investments. Understanding the dynamics of market sentiment, the forces that shape it, and our own susceptibility to its influence is crucial for navigating the often turbulent waters of finance. Imagine a scenario where investors become convinced that a particular market is headed for a downturn. When investors expect a downturn, they often start selling off their assets to avoid losses. This selling pressure can drive prices down, confirming the initial expectation and causing more investors to sell, creating a feedback loop. This, in essence, is the self-fulfilling prophecy in action, a phenomenon deeply intertwined with the placebo effect in the realm of finance. Conversely, a positive outlook and a belief in future growth can create a virtuous cycle, attracting investment, boosting confidence, and ultimately contributing to economic expansion. For example, during the dot-com bubble, investor enthusiasm for internet companies led to massive investments, driving stock prices up. This reinforced the belief that these companies were valuable, attracting even more investment. By focusing on long-term goals, embracing a growth mindset, and basing our decisions on sound financial principles rather than fleeting emotions, we can harness the power of belief to our advantage. Another example is the 1987 stock market crash, where panic selling led to a dramatic drop in stock prices, further fueling the fear and leading to more selling. Understanding the self-fulfilling prophecy in finance helps us recognize the impact of collective investor psychology on market trends and underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced perspective. Let's face it, we've all experienced that temporary high after a shopping spree. This cycle of impulsive spending, driven by the allure of retail therapy, can seriously derail our financial goals. Ask yourself before each purchase, do I need this, or am I seeking a temporary emotional fix? By understanding the placebo effect's role in our spending habits, we can visualize the long-term benefits of saving and make more mindful purchasing decisions. By becoming more mindful of our spending habits and identifying the triggers for emotional purchases, we can break free from the cycle of instant gratification and pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Many people feel restricted by the idea of budgeting. This feeling of restriction can be discouraging and make it hard to stick to a budget. But here's the good news. We can rewire our brains and harness the power of the placebo effect for good. By visualizing the abundance that disciplined budgeting can bring, we can shift our mindset. Embracing a growth mindset, practicing positive self-talk, and taking control of your finances through conscious budgeting can unlock the transformative power of the placebo effect, making budgeting feel like a path to abundance and leading to greater financial freedom and a more fulfilling future. Many people struggle to achieve their financial goals, but visualizing success and using the placebo effect can make a difference. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and create a mental picture of yourself achieving your financial goals. Visualization isn't about wishful thinking. It's about breaking down goals into manageable steps. By harnessing the power of visualization, you can program your subconscious to work in your favor, attracting opportunities and making smarter financial decisions that lead to lasting financial well-being. Do you often find yourself lacking confidence in your financial decisions? This lack of confidence can be a significant barrier to making assertive and effective financial choices. But what if you could harness the placebo effect to boost your confidence? Enter the concept of fake it till you make it. Projecting confidence, even when you're not feeling 100% certain, can actually attract opportunities and open doors. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between confidence and caution. By combining a confident mindset with a solid foundation of financial literacy, you can navigate the financial landscape with greater ease and achieve your goals more effectively. Many people feel that their financial dreams are unattainable, overwhelmed by the gap between their current situation and their goals. But turning dreams into reality can be achieved by using the placebo effect. By visualizing your financial dreams positively, you can start to believe in their possibility. Start by setting clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. Once you have your goals in place, break them down into smaller, actionable steps. The journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying focused on your vision, taking consistent action, and celebrating your progress, you can turn those visualized dreams into your everyday reality. Our brains focus on negative information more than positive. This survival mechanism can wreak havoc on our financial well-being today. Constant negative news can lead to fear and poor financial decisions. Guarding against negativity bias, using the placebo effect, can lead to better outcomes. Positive affirmations can counteract negativity bias. Focus on past financial successes to build confidence and resilience. Cultivating gratitude through positive affirmations creates a resilient financial foundation. Confidence, as we've discussed, can be a powerful ally in the realm of finance. It can embolden us to seize opportunities, negotiate effectively, and project an aura of success. However, like any potent force, confidence must be wielded with caution, for its excess can quickly morph into a dangerous liability: overconfidence. Overconfidence, in essence, is the treacherous belief that our judgments and abilities are superior to reality. It's the seductive whisper that tells us we can time the market perfectly, pick winning stocks effortlessly, or outsmart seasoned investors with ease. This inflated sense of self-assurance can lead to reckless risk-taking, excessive trading, and ultimately, financial ruin. Imagine an investor who, after a string of successful trades, starts to believe they possess an uncanny ability to predict market movements. They disregard risk management strategies, pour more money into increasingly speculative investments, and ignore warning signs that their winning streak might be coming to an end. This, my friends, is a classic example of overconfidence bias in action. The stock market, like life, is full of unexpected twists and turns. No one, no matter how skilled or experienced, can consistently predict its every move. Overconfidence blinds us to this fundamental truth, leading us to underestimate risks, overestimate our abilities, and make decisions that deviate from sound financial principles. Remember, humility is not a weakness in finance, it's a superpower. It allows us to approach the markets with a healthy dose of skepticism, acknowledge our limitations, and make more rational, well-informed decisions that protect our financial well-being. We humans are creatures of comfort, often seeking out information that confirms our existing beliefs, even if those beliefs are inaccurate or incomplete. This tendency, known as confirmation bias, can be particularly perilous in the world of finance, leading us to make decisions based on a distorted perception of reality. Imagine you're considering investing in a particular stock. You've read a few positive articles about the company, heard good things from a friend, and you're feeling optimistic. Confirmation bias kicks in, and you find yourself actively seeking out more positive news and analysis, while conveniently overlooking any negative reports or warning signs that might challenge your initial assessment. You become so convinced of your own rightness that you invest heavily, only to watch in dismay as the stock price plummets due to unforeseen circumstances. Confirmation bias can also manifest in our personal finances. If we believe we're bad with money, we'll tend to focus on past financial mistakes, ignore evidence of our financial progress, and ultimately sabotage our own efforts to achieve financial stability. We might even dismiss sound financial advice from trusted sources simply because it doesn't align with our preconceived notions. Breaking free from the clutches of confirmation bias requires conscious effort and a willingness to challenge our own beliefs. Seek out diverse perspectives, actively search for information that contradicts your assumptions, and be open to changing your mind when presented with compelling evidence. Remember, objectivity is your ally in the quest for financial well-being. By embracing a balanced and critical approach to information gathering, you can make more informed decisions that are grounded in reality, not just your own biases. Navigating the complexities of finance can feel overwhelming at times, even for the most seasoned investors. There's no shame in acknowledging that we don't have all the answers, and seeking guidance from qualified professionals can be one of the smartest financial decisions we ever make. Think of it like this. You wouldn't attempt to perform surgery on yourself, would you? You'd seek out the expertise of a trained surgeon. Similarly, when it comes to managing your hard-earned money, seeking advice from certified financial planners, investment advisors, tax professionals, or other financial experts can provide invaluable insights, personalized strategies, and a level of reassurance that empowers you to make sound financial decisions. A qualified financial advisor can help you create a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your specific goals, risk tolerance, and life stage. They can provide objective advice on investment management, retirement planning, debt reduction, insurance, estate planning, and other crucial aspects of your financial well-being. Of course, not all financial advisors are created equal. It's essential to do your research, interview several advisors, and choose someone who aligns with your values, understands your financial goals, and has a proven track record of success. Look for designations like CFP, Certified Financial Planner, or CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, which indicate a high level of education, experience, and ethical standards. Remember, seeking expert guidance doesn't mean relinquishing control of your finances. It means empowering yourself with the knowledge and support you need to make informed decisions that lead to financial security and peace of mind. Just as you wouldn't hesitate to consult a doctor when your health is at stake, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when it comes to protecting and growing your wealth. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of finance, uncovering the subtle yet powerful influence of the placebo effect. We've seen how our beliefs, whether conscious or unconscious, can shape our financial decisions, impact market trends, and ultimately determine our financial outcomes. Remember those hot stocks fueled by hype, the allure of retail therapy promising fleeting happiness, and the self-fulfilling prophecies we create with negative self-talk? These are all manifestations of the placebo effect at work, influencing our perceptions, shaping our actions, and ultimately shaping our financial realities. But here's the empowering truth. Once we understand the dynamics of the placebo effect, we can harness its power for good. We can choose to focus on positive affirmations, visualize our financial success, and take consistent action towards our goals, knowing that our beliefs have the power to influence the outcomes. As we conclude this exploration into the placebo effect in finance, let's distill the key takeaways into actionable steps you can implement starting today. Become aware of your beliefs. Pay attention to your internal dialogue about money. Are you harboring limiting beliefs that might be holding you back? Challenge those beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations that support your financial growth. Set realistic goals. Visualize success. Define clear, specific, and measurable financial goals. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself achieving those goals, engaging all your senses to make them feel real and attainable. Embrace knowledge, seek advice. Financial literacy is your superpower. Educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from qualified financial professionals when needed. Balance optimism with critical thinking. Maintain a healthy skepticism, especially when presented with get-rich-quick schemes or investment opportunities that seem too good to be true. Do your research, ask questions, and trust your instincts. Remember, your financial destiny is not predetermined. By understanding the placebo effect, cultivating a positive money mindset, and taking consistent action towards your goals, you can unlock your full financial potential and create a future filled with abundance, security, and peace of mind. The power to shape your financial reality lies within you. Go forth and create the financial future you deserve.